Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Christmas season, and I'm starting Christmas a bit early for my Christmas wish list just because I'm a person who's actually advanced when it comes to buying Christmas gifts for everyone that's really important to me, especially since also me and my friends actually celebrate a Christmas party at the month of November. That's because our friend actually leaves for his work overseas on the November or usually early December. So we usually plan it on November because he just stays here for like 2 months, and it's usually busy, and it's usually October and November. So there's like a time that I need to be advanced also in shopping for Christmas gifts. It also gives me time to actually think about or marinate the thoughts of what I should want to give to the people that are really important to me, that I really want to gift them to. So also, there are a lot of items that actually go on sale during early months of the Burr months compared to the ones at the almost Christmas, and some that are also late, especially when it's like online orders. Usually takes really a while for it to arrive. So that's why I wanted to really, be sure that everything is ready even before the Christmas month starts. So that's me to a T. I guess it's kind of like a usual thing that I say, but it's true. So let's start with something that everybody knows already. I love bags, and there's still a few on my wish list, but they're not more general, except for one specific one that I really, really like. Until now, it's in the top of my wish list just because it's the most expensive one out of all the bags that I've been thinking of getting, or partly my wishes because, like I mentioned before, I'm not actually getting any more bags for myself anytime soon because I already got my Christmas gift for myself, and it's not a bag. That's why, I'm not really like leaning towards getting a bag for myself. So I actually still want, at the top of my wish list, still the Kelly 28 in Bordeaux in box leather. Until now, it's still in the shop where I linked the wish list of mine before, and it's still there. I still love it. They're still in stock, and I really, really like it. It's just really expensive, and I will put the screenshot of the photo and how much it is currently with like application of the sale discounts and vouchers. But yeah, that one. And aside from that, with the bags, I just have two more types. It's actually a mini Kelly 22. I've been obsessed with this one. This is the first leather bag that started me collecting already all the leather bags, and this is a box leather, so it's deeper red than this, but in a size 28. So this one is a Kelly 22, mini Kelly 22 size, and this was gifted to me by my hubby, and it was really, really sweet. It was really nice gift. It's like a Mother's Day kind of late Valentine's of this year, and I really, really love this. I've constantly used this, and then when this one, apparently I think he wants me to give this like a rest. I got this one from him on my birthday. It's this one. It's a Millie Kelly 22 in this baby blue color. We call it beta. It's super cute. It has a beautiful baby blue. I think it's close to blue celeste. It's darker than blue broom, so I think this is really like a blue celeste shade color in Hermes, and this is so used. I've constantly used this a lot, but this is still the queen, and of course they're different kind of sizing, and there's really no issue on that. As long as it's important is they fit my phone, and they fit my wallet, they fit the necessities that a mini Kelly, an original mini Kelly, doesn't really fit for me because it's smaller. It's like a mini Kelly 20. That's the size of a mini Kelly, and this one is in 22, so it's a big ask on it. But like I said, I would really want a 28. With the 22 or the mini Kelly 22, I think be great for me. I've been obsessing with a baby yellow. I'll try to take a photo, or I'll try to show you a photo of that one that I saw from the Look Official. It's beautiful. I really like it so much. I actually wish I could have that. But if not, then it's fine. But that one in silver hardware, I'll be really happy. But other than that, I think I would like an orange or a navy blue color, those kind of colors, because those I'll be able to use. I already have a black one, and I don't think I would need a mini Kelly 22 in black but if ever I get one, it's like a box leather shade because I really want a box leather mini Kelly again. But I don't think I like it in brown. If it's a 22, maybe a 25. Those are the like the bags that I really want right now. And if not, an Andiamo. I saw one. I'll link it also down below. It looks like the Andiamo. Okay, it's not the Andiamo from Bottega, but it's so beautiful. It's in suede. It's in this coffee color. I love it so much and I think I would like it. 25 or 30, but I think 25 the most practical size for it because it packs already a lot for a size 25. Because it's like a tote, like an open tote, but it's still like this kind of Kelly shape, but it's open. So I think I would really like that. Plus in suede also, it adds a bit more texture to brown and deep browns. So I would actually be interested in getting that. And speaking of deep browns or choco browns, I've been loving this beautiful coffee brown color jacket in Uniqlo. I love it so much to the point that because I've been obsessed with like leather and dark brown leather jackets, but I really think that I won't be able to use a leather jacket at all. I tried last year and I barely used it until this year, so it's really really hard to enjoy a leather jacket in a tropical country. So I think that one, if that's like a cargo type jacket, I would like that more. I'll be able to use it more. Plus in this deep brown color, I would really like it. It's very beautiful. Plus brown has been like a thing for me to add this an accessory for clothing in my outfit, so I'm actually enjoying that. And with yeah, with the jacket, I'm actually good with that. I'm not really particular with clothes right now. I have no target on any clothes that I really want to get apart from those that choco brown color. But with shoes, yeah, I have a lot of shoes that I got from last year and also a few actually early this year. It was like an anniversary gift, which is really really sweet. But speaking of anniversary and speaking of couple shoes, I would love to have a couple shoes with my hubby. This beautiful camel sneakers. It has like cleats. It almost looks like a soccer shoe. It's really beautiful. It's this yellow and black color combination. It's almost like Adidas, but it has a different edge to it that I would like me and my hubby to have because he would really want to try a pop of color, but he's really not sure what. So I think a yellow one would be a nice pop of color for both of us to match, and it would be really cute. And I'll also link down below if you guys want to pair it together. There's one for men and for women, but I think for the women they have like limited sizes. So if you're gonna pair up, there are only limited colors that the men and women could pair up together. Yellow is one of them with the colors, and then the rest are neutrals. But with the girls, they have actually different colors that are a lot more choices than the guys. So I would really suggest for you guys to get them because they're really nice. Camel is kind of understated for like a quality shoe, but it is a really nice quality shoe. It's like Payless. So I would really think that would be a perfect gift for anyone. Plus, I think it would be really nice. Now, if it's not going to be pairing up, and if it's a sneaker right now that is still pricey, it's as pricey or pricier than the bag I really, really like. And it's the Onitsuka, the vintage one. It has a thicker sole, and it's also black and yellow color. I would put a picture of it because I saw it in Greenbelt. It was so nice, but it's expensive, so I don't think I'll be able to get it for myself. I've been like constantly focusing on other expenses right now, so I think for me that's like a nice wish list for me. But it would be really nice to have it, but it's not an issue because like I said, I have a couple of sneakers that I'm very happy about. That's why there's not supposedly to have a wish list for sneakers right now, but I couldn't help it, so I added to my wish list. And then for like, I guess, accessories. I think I have one that I really, really want to try. And I also actually added this to the wish list with my friends for Christmas exchange gift. And it's the ICEBLUE Jewelry. I haven't tried not even one from that jewelry just because I've been so happy with all the jewelries that I have already and I haven't bought any especially for myself. I usually buy things accessories recently for gifts for my friends or family, but they're accessory brands that I've already tried. I'm willing to try this if it's probably gifted to me. Plus, I actually added in the comment with my friends. I don't know if they're going to be gifted. I think it's impossible. I think they'll choose a simpler one from my wish list. But I want them to like choose an accessory there, in an earring or a necklace that will actually remind them of me or makes them think that it's actually very resonates with me. So hopefully they would, but I don't know. But that one I really like to try. The ice blue jewelry, I will also link it down below. I'll probably link the few ones that I really, really like for myself. But of course, hopefully they don't see this because I think they'll be able to see it, but it's too late. They won't be able to order it anymore. So yeah, I like that. I have a few furniture that I want, but this one it's not really a target. But of course, if I really want, if someone's gonna give it to me for Christmas, of course I would really like it. It's actually the first one is actually a bar, like a coffee bar table. Like I want a set, of course, a set with the bench coffee chairs. I want something that like in the morning I want to feel like I'm in a cafe. So being like on a bar table and then just sitting there having a cafe and then maybe watching one of my favorite videos on YouTube before I really start the day. I would really like that and enjoy it there. But it's not really like a priority. It's something I really would enjoy and love to use. So yeah, that one is like a very not practical, but it's a wish list. Of course I would like it so much. And with I actually by the way, I already created a coffee nook for myself. That's why it came with the like bar counter, like a coffee bar thing. So that came in to the idea, but of course I would appreciate it. Now the other one is this one will be funny, but and also expected, but I'm not really targeting people to just get this, is actually a shelf. I've been loving, like I said, I've been collecting the proper bags already. I think I need one more bag shelf, just one more bag shelf that I could display my bags and put them actually displayed behind me on one of my couch setup that I really am excited to use because I've actually organized the area of my closet that actually has like this nice nook where I could be comfortable and read a book. And I want that like shelf or display shelf to be there. So it depends also because like I said, it's like at the later part of my wish list. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to have it, but I will still also link it down below. And the last one, speaking of coffee, this one, I'm not sure because I think that I would be able to use it and enjoy it, but I don't know if I'm at that stage where I like it because I also like going out. And okay, I'm going to mention it first. It's a coffee machine, like one with like a frother, and then you make like brew coffee. I think right now, since I've been enjoying like a cozy morning, I wake up really, really early in the morning because I have to start work early. But I also want to enjoy coffee, so I actually enjoy making coffee. Coffee helps me calm down. Coffee helps me relax, makes me not really sleepy, but really calms my nerves down. So I think I need that to start my day. So I think a coffee machine would be really, really nice. I just really want to create my own coffee. Like I even have like bottles of where I could put like different syrups so I could sprinkle it in coffee so that it'll be really, really nice. By the way, my hubby told me to add this just in case. Ease my heart because I think he thinks actually that I wouldn't be able to shut up that I should have put this in the list. So there's two items that I think I would still not be enjoying to have on my wish list, but they're more of like appliances. It's a more portable vacuum, like the one vacuum. I think it's 20 right now, but they're affordable ones. And because my grandmother's vacuum is already wrecked, so it doesn't work as long as it has for a while, and I've been enjoying like the whole moment of just cleaning. Plus I have asthma, so I don't really use the broom anymore to sweep the floor, so I prefer using a vacuum. And the last one is one of our stove burner. It's already actually destroyed, and that stove is actually really, really old already. So I would like a nice new stove set because I've been enjoying cooking more in the kitchen rather than the electric cooker. So that's why I think that it would be nice to have a new stove session again. So those are my wish list that I really would really be happy to get and enjoy. So it's mainly some of the bags that I really, really like, and as well as the other furniture and accessories that I would love to have. Because right now I'm actually very happy. I'm at the point where I started decluttering and I also started sorting out areas. I actually bought a few mega boxes from Home Gallery. They're actually on sale right now. Go check it out. So I've created spaces that are very comfortable to like chill, relax, like this area here. Oh, and fun fact. Sadly, I don't have a Christmas tree video putting up the Christmas tree this year, but it's just because I had a special moment with my daughter. She actually put a couple of the designs up here. And I'll try to put maybe a snippet picture of that because it was really, really cute. And so she was putting some, I taught her how to put some of the decor. So it was so adorable. So I didn't want to post the video of us creating it because it was super fun for us. It's just like an intimate thing. But if I still have the shops for these decors, I will add them in the link in the description box down below so that you guys could also shop these decors because they're really, really beautiful. That's actually more my wish list right now. It's not really grand and big or like details about them. And I would also enjoy sharing more gift ideas for you guys all throughout before Christmas starts. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe down below. Comment on what you think is a really nice gift wish list that I actually mentioned to you guys, or what's your wish list in your Christmas for this year, 2025. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!